So this particular client have reached out to us almost 6 months ago. And they have particular, really only requirement they really have. They must have a view. And as easy as that seems, we run into some challenges because the budget is under $650. So today we're going to be looking at apartments that are under $650 with amazing views, and they must be up high rise. So today we are actually going to be viewing 2-bedroom apartments. What's unique about this client is they reached out over 6 months ago, and they're coming in from North America. Just her. She is a retiree. She's worked her whole entire life and have been looking forward to that moment where she can come to the continent and enjoy her retirement. So the only requirement that she gave me, it wasn't too much, but the main one was it must be high with amazing views. So today we're going to be looking at apartments that are high rise with amazing views, 2 bedrooms, and under $650. So I particularly look at apartments in 4 basic areas: Kilimani, Kileleshwa, Lavington, and the Westlands area. And particularly, the quality of the apartments there are more favorable for what expats look for, on top of the community that we're striving to build within the repatriation community. We're pretty much in those 4 target areas. You'll find newer builds here, backup generators, elevators, very good Wi-Fi, strong power, those type of things expats look for. And the price range can vary to so many different aspects. For this one particular client, it's 85,000 shilling, which roughly is about $650 US today. So we're going to be focusing more on that price range, and you'll see the difference in the quality of apartments for that price range as well. Hello?
Yes, hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
So I'm telling you that I have one at Maira. I know that Maira.
What town is that in?
It's pardon?
What town is that in? Lavington, Kilimani?
Kilimani.
It's called Myra?
Yeah, Maira. I have Royal Gardens.
Royal Gardens. Did I see that? Where's that one at? Okay, can you arrange so we could see it tomorrow at 10?
So you are not available today?
I don't think I want to go out with all the protesting and it's cold and rainy and all of that.
But there are no protests. I'm in CBD right now. And it's very peaceful.
Are you over there now?
I'm at CBD. We can go in the next 30 or 40 minutes if you like.
All right, send me the pin and we'll meet you at 1 o'clock at the first
At 1
spot.
o'clock.
Yeah, at the first location.
Okay, that's nice.
Okay. Oh, you gonna rush me? I just sat there and waited for you?
No, I'm not rushing. Adilah, boy, I gotta love her. She's way better than I am. Her level of patience and tolerance. Listen, I gotta learn a lot. But when it comes to business and trying to get things done, ooh, it's a struggle. It is a struggle for real. So when you guys come through Adilah's Relocation Services, please rest assured and understand that it's been a rough road to get you where you will be. All right.
The good thing is she wants to be right in the city, and as you can see, we are in the heart of the city right here. So let's go check it out. You said it's in a good neighborhood?
6.
Oh, perfect. all she really wants is to be able to be in the city. Nice stove, microwave. I'm so excited you answered the phone. Okay, listen, can you see me? Because you got to see this apartment. How I turn this over? Me neither. Hold on. Okay, I can turn it right here. Okay. You got to see this apartment. I'm going to start with the door so you can see the pretty door. Okay. So when you walk in, first of all, we're really downtown right here. You walk in, you got a guest bathroom at the front. It's very nice. They said these are brand new apartments. We're on the 6th floor, so it's a little high for me, but you like it. We're also recording, so you don't have to buy a stove. Got an overhead, you got an oven. We have a sink. So the only thing we would need is to get a refrigerator right here. And this is the dining area right here where you see our camera crew at. And look at the cute living room with the parquet floors. But it's the big parquet. Look at the brick, open brick. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, you ready for this view? Whoa, that balcony is huge. I didn't even see that. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Girl, that'll be your morning view. I guess this is your cabin, your closet space. If you need me to, I can get some more to go down. I could buy some. Yeah, because that wouldn't do nothing for me. Or you can wait till you get here either way. Very nice bathroom. All right, a real shower. Nice bathroom. Okay. So you got a cabin space right here. This is in the living room, so I'm gonna call that space. Oh, wow. This is the other room. It sits off on an angle, so they don't have a patio, but you got a massive view. But you see all that closet space in this one? But right now, we just use both of the closets, that's all. Yeah, beautiful open face brick. I mean, the second bathroom. It seems bigger than the first one. Yeah, they got nice light fixtures up here. But I love this brick. And it's, oh, the doors. They got the old Arab doors, yeah. That's something that nobody do that. Oh, you mean, well, first of all, you can't get in the elevator without your key. This is high secure area. I can't look at that. Give me vertigo.
They go up.
Oh, then you're gonna walk up one more.
It's so high, you gotta take an extra flight of steps to get to the actual.
So the pool is on the rooftop.
It's beautiful.
Oh, shoot, girl. Oh my goodness.
Nairobi.
Wait a minute. Nairobi. Oh, the national park. That's true. You can see everything from here. Look at this pool on top of the. Look at my glasses off. I feel like I'm gonna fall. On top of the. We ain't even on the roof because there's still more where you can go sit up on the roof. But this is. It's crazy.
Stay here.
Then you see the national park over there where you see the safari, the animals, and all of that. That's right over there is the national park. You have a full view of the whole entire city. I'm crazy. This is blowing me away. I offer you anything like this. This is crazy. So you want it? It's right here so you can remember that as you're trying to go. God, because I couldn't take it. All right, so I'll let you know what happens. Lord, steps are speaking. Yes, ma'am. We are waiting for the owner to come so we can do this lease for my client. We love the apartment, we love the pool, and she wanted to be in the city, first of all, like we said earlier, and she wanted to be high. We can't even get too much higher than where we were today. 6th floor, but the pool is on the 15th floor. 16th floor. That's crazy. And you can see the national park, you can see the whole entire city of Nairobi.
You can see the world.
Y'all, under $600. I'm blown away. You can't do this at home. You cannot get under $600. It's amazing.
I'm gonna tell you, you know what it makes me think of?
What?
And we're moving on up to the east side, to a deluxe apartment in the sky.
But why the cameraman face look like that? She was like, what the hell? What's that? So we're waiting for them so we can see if we can make this happen today. Keep your fingers crossed. So as you can see, sometimes the very first apartment we come to, they fall in love, we go for it. Fortunately, this one just got on the market and we were able to snatch it up immediately. So we pretty much finished here today. We're going to do this lease. My client has it. She's signing it on her end. We already done all the negotiations that we need to do. And so now we sign the lease and August 1st, pick up the keys.
Okay, so family, we just got finished looking at a particular unit being looked at by Dealers Relocation Services for a particular client who is heading this way to transition completely in their living here on the continent, specifically Nairobi, Kenya. The place is incredible, it's phenomenal. And the price point, you can't really beat it. You really can't. Right now, they are in the office discussing with the owner the price point. Now, the price point that was actually set is really a good price point, truthfully honest. Can't really get this type of price point if you are in the States for what is available. This is incredible. This whole building, the unit, and everything it has to offer is really great. It's right in the city, so it's accessible to a lot of different things. So the price point already is set really good. But of course, there's always that wiggle room that you can try to go for, and that's what they're going for. But either way it goes, whether it's that standard price point or if they, are able to kind of come down a little bit, which is always better. Either way it goes, it's great. It's incredible. So we're very much excited with Adilah's Relocation Services to be able to serve this particular client who we just only add with their energy and all of their experience, life experience, and their excitement in coming here to Nairobi. It only adds to the beautiful, wonderful diasporas that are already here. So with that said, we'll see how it goes. We'll see where it lands as far as the price point, and look forward to be able to serving this client once everything is given a green light. Beyond the green light that was given by the client, you know how Adila, you know how she does. She's gonna make that unit pop and sing and all of that good stuff. All right, we'll see.
As you can see, sometimes it just takes one time. They see that apartment, that's what they want, we go out and get it.
That was fast. I'm gonna tell you, I thought we would have to look at some other units, but I gotta admit, this unit is incredible. This whole building is really incredible.
And again, Somalian builders.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Look, they don't play. It's something about their detail, the quality in their workmanship. I love it. And so, hey, we signed the lease, sending them the money, August 1st, getting the keys. It's a done deal.
New client, new Diaspora.
Client.
Hey.
I'm excited. We already got started on getting her apartment renovated. Already got the furniture being made. We already got her accessories, her color scheme.
Right.
Can't wait. It's gonna be so cute. And her backdrop. She don't need artwork because she got the whole city. So as you can see, we out here working at Dealers Relocation Services. That's what we do.
It is what it is.